Har Har Mahadev. Today is Mahashivratri. It is also the last Amrit Snan, and this glorious Kumbh Parva comes to an end today. I want to take this opportunity to express gratitude towards the Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, without whom Amrit would not have manifested. To the Trinity of the divine three mothers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, who purify us, who fill us with Jnana, Bhakti and Seva. To the Trinity of Tirthraj Prayag, Veni Madhav Bhagwan and Nagavasuki. The punya of going to 33 crore tirthas is attained when one goes to Tirthraj Prayag. Veni Madhav Bhagwan is the presiding deity of Prayagraj. Vasuki Bhagwan is the one because of whom the churning was possible, and he went through so much of difficulty for that. I also thank the Trinity of the central government, the state government and the local administration for the fantastic vision, excellent organizing, wonderful management and leadership skills, and so beautifully everything has been arranged, and more than 60 crore devotees have been able to come, do their sadhana, purify their mind and feel blessed. Sincere gratitude to all the defense forces, to all the workers, to all the volunteers who have made this Kumbh a very memorable experience through their tireless, sleepless, hard work, patience, fortitude and dedicated seva. Without their sacrifice, we would not have been able to have this blissful experience at Kumbh. Sincere pranams to them and prayers to Bhagwan for their well-being and their families' well-being. Gratitude also to the Trinity of the Akhadas, the Sadhu Sannyasis and the Nagas. Their satsang has uplifted our mind, their detachment, purity, sadhana, tapasya always inspires us. Thanks also to the Trinity of the locals at Prayagraj, those who came from various parts of Bharat and those who came from abroad. The Trinity of children, the youth and the elders, everyone who came with the three bhavanas of Shraddha, Astha and Bhakti. 60 crore people came together. Kumbh is a massive display of Hindu unity, of oneness, of inclusiveness, of strength and of the resurgence and revival of Sanatan Hindu Dharma. Sincere gratitude and thankfulness to everyone who have made this Kumbh a blissful experience for all of us. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. May everyone be happy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the lokas be happy and blissful. In 2027 is the next Kumbh at Nashik, and there will also be Ardha Kumbh at Haridwar. We will meet in Nashik and in Haridwar. Har Har Mahadev.